Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I have a home-based detailing business and I like to share tips and products and techniques that I use here in my detailing shop for enthusiasts or other detailers to kind of see some of these products at work. Today we're working on this 2010 BMW for my customer. We're actually getting the interior detailed, the exterior ready for a 12-month coating, and the customer also asked us to do an engine bay cleaning. Now I'll show you guys some before pictures. As I am talking, we had some sort of transmission fluid explode on the paint, on the hood, on the underside. We had a lot of dirt and just grime that had accumulated on our plastic compartments. All of our kind of drain ports were clogged with a lot of leaves. It actually took quite a bit to get all the leaves out as much as we could kind of in these areas here. We actually were able to remove this part, clean out all of the leaves there, put everything back together. So we've gotten everything cleaned out of the engine using Superior Products Dark Fury. It is absolutely my favorite chemical when it comes to cleaning this engine. You would not know it, but I actually touchless cleaned this engine. Just sprayed it with the chemical. I blasted it with my pressure washer using a 25-degree tip, safe distance, blasted everything off, and then we came inside. I used a rinseless wash just to kind of wipe off any sort of remaining residue, and now we are ready to put our dressing down. Now I know a lot of times detailers will use a kind of water-based tire dressing for engines, and even sometimes if you like that high gloss engine dressing look, give me 1 second. A lot of times people will kind of use an aerosol spray and just kind of come in here. And I want to share with you guys one of my favorite products as the final touch for an engine bay. It's an engine bay dressing as well as a conserver, and that is this product right here. This is Koch-Chemie Motorplast. Now this is a special engine conserver, and you can see here, naturally shiny water displacing engine conserver. Treated parts regain their new appearance. The power units are protected from corrosion and environmental factors by the permanently elastic protective film, temperature resistant to 250 degrees Celsius with Daimler approval. And how I'm going to use this is essentially just come in here. We're going to spray this on just in overlapping passes. And we're going to let that air dry. We're going to let that sit for probably 5-10 minutes, and then we'll come in with a microfiber and we'll just kind of button up any sort of drips that might occur, and I'll show you the finished look, but you can just see how easy that was to apply. This is kind of what it looks like as it is setting up. So I'll bring you back in a few minutes once this has all dried and show you the finished result. Very quick way to dress and protect your engine bay.
We're going to mop it up after letting it sit for a few minutes just to get any drip marks, and then I always like to put a spray wax or sealant on the painted surfaces for protection.
So we did Total Wax Seal and Shine on our painted surfaces just to give us a little bit of extra protection should there be any sort of chemical spills in the future, and it'll just be easier to clean. But you can see all of our plastics. Not only do they look great, they look like new. This looks like a brand new engine, honestly. I touchless cleaned this with the Superior Products Dark Fury. Pressure washed it. We did a quick dry with a rinseless wash, and we did our Koch-Chemie Motorplast, and this engine looks night and day. Real quick, I'll show you the before again. And then here's our after. So hopefully this tip can help some of you out who are looking for a engine cleaner as well as a engine preserver. Fantastic product to use for your engines. I'll put the link for it down below for those of you that want to try it out for yourself. Thanks Humberto for recommending it to me. I absolutely love it, and it is one of those products now that I will always have in my shop just to give my engine bay cleanings that cherry on top. So thanks guys for watching. We're going to keep moving on this detail, but we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. We have some fun ones coming up as we do more ceramic coating reviews and application tips and tricks as we work in the shop. All right, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.